getting ready to throw down some insulation. And you can see right there we got the fire stopping around all the conduit, because we have to do that no matter what. Even though we're putting in the closed cell foam, it's still required for the electrical inspection. So we're going to get ready to go here and shoot some foam for you. Hello, this is Ron from Mighty House with a Building in Illinois update. And you can see here we've got the insulators all done. They've completed everything. We've sprayed the ceiling. That is filled into an R49. And the walls are at an R21 plus whatever the rest of it is on the outside, but that's just our insulation. And you can see it's all filled in. And before we go ahead and hang drywall, all of these seams between the framing here and here, we're going to caulk all those seams. We're going to caulk the plates to the floor and get all that sealed up and air sealed. Same thing will happen along the corner here, where above that header where the roof ties into it. That'll get caulked and sealed. And that way this whole area will be really airtight. And then another example is where this wall ties into the existing brick wall. That'll all get caulked and sealed too. So there you have it. That is a spray foam, and that is a closed cell foam. So you can tell it's hard. You can't push in it, make it. It's not spongy at all. So there you go. Okay, and here in the laundry room area, you can see on the other side is that brick wall, but we wanted to get some other sound deadening, and you can hear. See how soft that is? That is an open cell foam right there. That's a little different than the closed cell, which if you look on this side, this is our garage wall. This is our closed cell. You can see how much more dense that is and how air can't get through there. And you also spray all your rim joists. Next thing we'll go down and do a quick shot of the crawl space so you can see what happens down there. Okay, now we're down on the crawl space. You can see how that closed cell foam goes from the subfloor down across that rim joist that's on the outside there, and then down to the 2-inch foam that was put on the foundation wall. So now that it's got a nice insulation barrier across the entire concrete. It seals that and prevents air leakage. Again, you can see all the conduit that we run and get all that put together. We don't run any extension cords, unless you've got something like that temporarily tied in for the sump pump. But other than that, you can see we've got all our cross bracing in, all the floor joists are tied in good, and we're nice and tight down here in the crawl space. That creates and makes this crawl space part of the conditioned airspace within the house. And that way we're not trying to ventilate the crawl space. We'll be back with more. Thanks for tuning in.